Good morning, Miss Ingram. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be reading Never Touch a Monster. You must never touch a monster who has smiled at you and waved. It may look warm and friendly, but it isn't well behaved. You must never touch a monster who has asked you round for tea. It wants to put you in a pot and eat you, probably. You must never touch a monster. It's a silly thing to do. Ignore it if it smiles and says, "Hello there, how are you?" You must never touch a monster. You should always hurry by. Just keep on walking past it and don't look it in the eye. And don't ever touch a monster who is hungry for his lunch. It might just see you coming and decide to take a munch. The